We are going to edit an existing file managed by Git. I'm currently in my terminal in our test repository. If I run a git status command, we can see that we have a clean working directory with nothing to commit. If we type ls, we can see that we have two files, hello and Venus. Let's update our file called hello with the code command. So we type code command followed by the file name. Here we will add the short text. Save, then exit. Back to the terminal, I will run again a git status command. Now, Git tells me that I have a modified file. The difference is that in the previous videos, our file called hello.html was not tracked, and that was then the changes to commit. In this case, we have a modified file that simply shows changes not prepared for the commit. This is how Git makes the difference between the untracked files and the tracked ones. To find out which file that Git tracks, we can use the git ls-files command. Git tells me that two files are being tracked, the file Venus and the file hello. If I add the file by using the command touch and the name of the file, for example, earth.html, we type ls, I can see that the new file called earth is in my file system. Git sees that I have an untracked file and the modification of the file hello.html. Type git ls-files. It always reveals that Git tracks only the two files Venus and hello and not the new one, what we call earth. Let's get rid of this file by executing the command rm earth.html. It's the bash command used to delete files. Run a git status command. Now, I'm back and I just see the modifications of the file hello. This is why I'm going through this, to show which files are tracked, and that the following command relies on all tracked files to work. And that's when we use the command git commit -a. The parameter a tells Git to add firstly the modified files to the Git staging area or the Git intermediate area, and then skip to commit. We can accomplish this with a single command in this option. Now, you may ask yourself why we add a modified file. It is just the way Git works. That's why I add the changes to the Git staging area and then apply them. Let's continue by also specifying our m parameter that we can combine into a single parameter, so we have am. So type git commit am and the name of our message in quotes. For me it is update. The commit is finished. If we type git log, I have now two commits, the most recent and the other one.